let's dive into creating that TikTok business profile you've been thinking about. First off, why are we doing this? Well, TikTok has over 1 billion active users monthly, which means big opportunities for businesses looking to connect with potential customers through video content. Alright, let's get started by opening up your TikTok app and logging in. Once you're logged into your personal account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, click on the three dots next to your username, then select Create a Business Profile. This will take you to a page where you can choose from several types of businesses. Pick the one that best suits yours. Now, enter your business name carefully and make sure it matches your official branding across all platforms. Next up is adding an engaging bio. Think about what message you want to convey here. Are you looking for followers or selling products? Include a link to your website if possible, as this will make it easier for viewers to learn more about your brand. After that, it's time to add some eye-catching profile pictures and cover photos. The picture should be clear and recognizable. Think logo or business owner photo. For the cover photo, something visually appealing but still representative of your brand works best. Remember, this is the first thing people will see when they visit your TikTok page. Now comes the fun part, setting up a video for your profile. Choose one that showcases what you do in an engaging and concise way, maybe a quick intro or demo reel. Make sure it's short but impactful to grab attention quickly. Once all these details are filled out, take a step back and review everything to make sure there are no typos or errors. Remember, first impressions matter. Also, consider adding relevant hashtags in your bio if you want to be found by certain communities or topics. Finally, don't forget about privacy settings. You can control who sees your profile and what they see, so adjust these according to your business needs. And there, you have it, a TikTok business profile set up for success. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to social media marketing. Regular posting, engagement with followers, and creative content will help grow your brand presence on this platform. That's all for today. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a strong TikTok business profile that attracts new customers and keeps them engaged.